Hi everyone, welcome to Bake House. My name is Ramya. Today we are doing an easy yet heavenly breakfast dish, the French toast. If you wish to have something fancy and delicious in the morning with zero effort, this is the recipe to go. So without much further delay, let's get started. Into a wide bowl, I'm going to crack 4 eggs. These measurements serve 4 people. If you want to make a bigger or smaller batch, please adjust the ingredients accordingly. To this, I'm going to add half a cup of whole milk. If you want your French toast to be super rich, you can add quarter cup milk and quarter cup cream. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and whisk. Sometimes when I'm planning to have my French toast with maple syrup, I skip adding the sugar. It still tastes great as maple syrup is very sweet. To add flavor and to take our French toast to the next level, I'm going to add half teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Give this a good whisk. Let's talk about our bread now. I'm using a sliced wholemeal loaf today to make it a little more healthier, but you can really use any kind you like. To start with the cooking process, place a pan on medium heat. Pop some butter on the pan. Once they start melting, dip the spread slice into our custard for a couple of seconds, flip it over and dip. Now press our soaked bread onto the pan. After a minute or so, flip it over and it will be nice and golden. When both sides have turned golden brown in color, take it out and transfer it to a serving plate. Add more butter onto the pan, and all you have to do now is to continue dipping and cooking. Once done, serve the French toast with maple syrup, butter, fruits or whatever you feel like. Coco's here today to say goodbye, and he says if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.